We are at Grace and Grit. All right, so I ordered the two. How do you pronounce that? Is there arancini?
Arancini.
Arancini. That's what we ordered. Okay.
Arancini.
Okay.
If you will.
Makes it sound terrible.
Arancini.
That's what's great.
That's what I want to
Every time, yeah.
Oh, I need more Italian. He's all.
Like, no, don't stop
Fine,
doing
you just
that.
created a new dish.
Yeah, it's terrible.
Irritone.
So we ordered the bacon creamed hush puppies, cream corn, bacon cream corn hush puppies, and then the barbecue grit arancini, as I've been instructed to pronounce it. So I'm very excited to try those. I got 2 appetizers coming. We all get to try, and then we're gonna do a flight of grits. Arancini. That's fun to say. Nestled in the heart of Mount Pleasant, South Carolina, is a place known for their Southern cooking, and more specifically, their unique take on a Southern breakfast staple, grits. But this isn't a breakfast place. They've taken grits and made them into an any meal phenomenon. So I invited a few good friends to come along, and we sat down to try something new.
Velouté, the nice creamy mushroom sauce. Got the bone marrow right in there. Super, super tender.
Don't like mushrooms?
Allergic.
She's allergic.
Have a
That's
risotto.
a good reason
just
not to
separate
like
one. The
mushrooms.
reason I'm asking is some.
I couldn't remember exactly what they
corn
tried to
hush
test about it.
Look, I'm not worried about you sneezing COVID on me. I'm worried about you.
Are these hush
breathing that
puppies?
shit in while dying.
That's pretty good. And now I'm gonna try these grits.
JC loves like, please have those shrimp and grits.
What would you do?
Oh wow.
What are you having for dinner?
I haven't even looked at the menu.
Which one are these?
We have none.
I've been distracted by all this stuff. Straight nasty.
Is that the pimento and cheese? Oh man. Oh my god, these grits. Wow. That first one was amazing.
Oh, okay.
This one is a pesto or basil.
Got to skip all of that turns up in the kitchen.
That's fine. He's not ready.
Okay, I'm gonna do the wedge salad.
Perfect.
Not bad.
bacon.
Not as good as the pimento though.
And Gouda.
Good side of the good
They're so warm.
Yes.
That red sauce is really tangy.
Oh, so it's like a balance.
Yes.
Let's see.
Yeah. I really liked it.
I don't.
And I can't even identify what parts I liked about it. Like, it's got a whole bunch of flavors in it.
Is that my water?
This is the sweet potato grits.
I don't like
There.
Ooh.
Can we
Got
not?
like a cinnamon.
Yeah, let's switch it out. What are you looking at?
I'm looking
Man,
at
that
the
tastes like
grits.
Christmas.
Yeah, what we've got. Again? Whichever one else.
I know. I love Christmas. I'm gonna have another bite of that one.
You know what?
Wow.
Can we do the smoked bacon instead?
Oh man.
Because that sounds pretty good.
All right, I've been really excited to try these ones.
Goes right in
These
line
are
with the-
blueberry grits.
Oh boy.
Can we
Not
Can we do like a
arancini.
little bit of extra butter?
Arancini. Did you like it?
I'm
Arancini.
I like it.
I drown my peanuts in butter.
Is how we say it in Italy.
I mean, that's true. Thank you.
Oh man. You know, the one I wanted to love the most is the one I like the least. All the rest of these had such dynamite flavor balance. These are fantastic. These three especially. This one's good, but it's not as good as these three.
Which one was the green one?
That's the basil. It's basil pesto, I think it is.
I love pesto.
I do too. That's why I was really hoping that was going to be like really, really potent, but it was kind of subtle.
And this one tastes like Christmas.
That one, yeah, that's the sweet potato grits.
Oh.
And that's blueberry, and those are fantastic.
That's right.
That pimento and cheese grits, though, that's the best one.
White people like sweet potatoes.
We do.
I love that I can hear so much Paducah in your voice. It
Right?
makes me feel like I'm at home.
That's true. I have a lot of it. And what's funny, I'm not even from there, but I've been down there for 20 years, so it's like, you are from there now.
Thank
These
you.
are hush
I'm like,
puppies, the bacon cream hush
like
puppies,
old-fashioned.
and this is the
I
arancini.
was looking at this.
What is that?
So this is a barbecue pork. It's basically a
No,
giant
probably not.
rice ball or like a hush puppy ball with grits, like cheese grits and pulled pork in it. And it's got these two different sauces that are really, really tasty. I'm not sure what those sauces are. But that
Like
the red one's tangy, and the top one's just got like a really great cream finish to it.
the honey sauce.
What is that?
The honey sauce is really tasty. That one's really more refreshing.
Okay, that.
This shouldn't go in a sauce, right?
Do what?
Right, this shouldn't go in a sauce. Just by itself.
No, that one's just by itself. There's 2 bacon cream corn hush puppies left.
You'd know them if
I
you saw
tried
them.
one.
That's crazy.
They're like tall, dark hair. Usually
Well,
has like a light
They're
beard.
Ross.
I'm all about that.
I like it. This is an old fashioned.
So how's it
Have you ever
going?
had an old fashioned?
It's a peanut brittle old fashioned.
Peanut brittle old fashioned.
Yes, and here they have the option to have it smoked.
This was a cool guy.
When did you guys open this place?
We opened in August of 2017.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was it
Just
a
celebrated 3 years.
okay? Was it a chef opening or was it just kind of like a?
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, the gentleman sitting there with the Grace and Brick
Oh,
hat
really?
is our chef and owner, Frank Kline.
Kline. Okay,
He's
excellent.
born and raised here in Mount Pleasant.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Okay, very cool.
He's
I gotta say the
sweet
grits.
potato?
Like I'm not, I
Grit?
like grits obviously
Pesto?
before, but never had different besides
forgot.
cheese and grits. I've never really had flavored grits.
Cinnamon
it's
something?
kind of a unique
Yeah, that's
thing
sweet
that we
potato.
do.
Blueberry.
Oh, sweet potato.
That was
There's a lot of
amazing.
cinnamon.
Yeah, I think the last
It was like
blueberry.
really
And I forgot what the
tasty.
first one was.
Man. Yeah, the pimento cheese, and I'm not even a pimento cheese fan. That was my second thing around there. So
And that is everything we make flavor-wise is all done in-house.
that's cool. Those were really
The
delicious.
blueberries really.
It sneaks up on
surpri-
you.
but it's surprisingly good. Like,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's not just a sweet grit.
Yep.
It's like there's a lot of.
Yeah,
going
it's
on.
fantastic. We ordered. I know I got the southern fried chicken, but I don't know.
I got the shrimp and grits.
Shrimp and grits, excellent. I know we got the big
Best in
thing
town.
second.
Oh,
That's awesome.
So the last time that we had the Shrimp and Grit Festival, we actually won the People's Choice Award for
Hold
the
on,
Shrimp and
there's a
Grit.
shrimp and grit festival because that's when we need to come back.
That's impressive.
If there's a festival for this food, I would like to be a part of it.
That's impressive.
All come together in kind of that.
Makes sense to have somebody there helping you. Like,
Well, I like what's come together in my mouth so far. What was that, arancini?
Yeah, the arancini. That's a fun flavor.
That was
classic
that was.
Italian dish.
I was gonna say, yeah. I mean, it was like the sauces, how tangy that red sauce is compared to the other. Man, that was
So
really,
it's
really tasty.
classic arancini is done with risotto.
No.
Okay, yeah.
And it's stuffed with either
What I
meat or
need to
cheese,
do,
and then it's in that same style that they kind of fry.
You may have ruined arancini for me because I've never had it before. I've heard of it,
Never.
but I've never
It's so
eaten it. And then this is like, ooh, that was really tasty. Did you guys
Yes.
try this?
Yeah, I got at home. I got
That is
an oak
fantastic.
barrel.
Nice.
Put
I'm not kidding you.
Buffalo Trace.
That's
in
like a
it.
completely
And just
unique
kept
flavor.
managing it into
And there's like 4 or 5
and
different
it's
flavors.
Like, it definitely elevates the flavors for sure. Yeah.
Really? Okay. I'm very, very excited about this.
Yes.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
Nobody like
I think we covered
thought we
it.
went over this.
Yeah.
It was a big one. It was.
This is southern fried chicken
I don't.
with roasted Brussels sprouts,
Yeah, red rice grits.
red
Yeah.
rice
Rice
grits.
grits.
That's top level for him.
That's fantastic.
For
With
like one of my
ham.
pork
There's the
ribs.
ham
Oh
in
my
it.
god.
If I can finish it in 2
I
hours.
tried those grits. And
You gonna try this chicken? It's got that honey in it. Oh my god. I'm so
I
excited.
think I did.
Look at this chicken.
I mean, that Brussels sprout is crispy like place.
Yes, of course. Did this work out for you?
Yeah, it's refreshing. It's good. Perfect. Thank you.
Sounds rock on the way. The specialty sounds rock.
Yeah.
That might be the best piece of chicken I've ever tasted.
She's lovely.
I'm not kidding you.
It's
Dude, you gotta
her
try this.
last day of training.
Dude, this chicken's amazing. You want a piece?
I want a little bite.
Yeah.
I'm a big chicken guy, but I want a little bite.
Dude.
Thank
Yeah.
you. We passed that. And that's going to Chris.
Yeah, it's some kind of honey.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah. Where's this?
No, I'm okay.
I'll trade mine to me.
Thank you.
That's on my plate.
Thank you.
Piece.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Especially here. My goodness. Oh,
I'm taking it.
Yeah, totally.
You
It
want a piece?
doesn't even like snap.
Dude.
It's just like a,
Oh.
Earl, you want a piece?
it's like a magic trick.
Try it.
Try that shrimp bacon grits.
Like imagine if you can disintegrate.
Ooh.
Is it black mama?
Well, you get that bacon, like the flavor's really
Think
there.
about it with the shrimp.
Wow.
That chicken doesn't even taste like chicken.
Dude, that's amazing.
Because I don't like Gouda, so I'm like, let me substitute this.
I love Gouda.
Hey, great.
I think it's
This is the
Gouda. I hope Chef Frank comes out because I want to marry him.
Well,
Any man that can cook chicken that good
You can't do that.
gets my love.
The chicken started with a solid crunch, followed by juicy white meat, and the sweet heat from the hot honey made every bite unbelievable. Coupled with the flavor marriage of the red rice grits and roasted Brussels sprouts made this one of the best meals I've ever eaten. This dish normally comes with collard greens, but I never pass up a chance to have roasted Brussels sprouts, so I substituted them in. But I would definitely try it the traditional way next time. I have a feeling it's even more fantastic.
How's everything going?
It was absolutely fantastic. Are you a chef?
Yes, sir.
I'm Chris. Very nice to meet you.
Thank you.
This is one of
amazing.
the best pieces of chicken.
That's what I like to hear.
Is that like a honey that you guys
Hot honey that we make in house, yes, sir.
That was absolutely spectacular, and so was the was it the red what is it
Red rice grits.
Red rice
So
grits.
It's everything you can think of in a red rice,
Oh
but
my
we make
God.
it into grits.
Incredible.
Yeah, it really was. Like as soon as I started eating, I had to make everybody have a piece.
Well, I like to hear that. Thank y'all so much. Y'all
Yeah.
been well taken care of?
Yes, it has been absolutely superb. We've been very, very thrilled with it so far. We're absolutely stuffed too. So we wanted to try that dessert, but now we're like,
That's a whole nother story.
It was the grit brulee, the grit brulee,
The
right?
brulee, that's it. That one's been on the menu since the day I opened. It's really kind of it's really light, to be honest.
Yeah.
I think rice pudding meets creme brulee.
Yeah, we're gonna end up doing it just to take a little nibble each. It really didn't. Honestly, when they even said flavors, I was like, I don't know. Then I looked at the flavors, like I gotta try that because I've never had anything like that. And
I mean,
I'm
like
so glad I
cheesy
did.
grits is like standard,
Yeah.
and I make that at home. But you know, screw Bobby Flay's recipe. I'm gonna try to copy this
Yeah.
now.
One of these
Yeah.
days I'll put this recipe in a book. And
Oh, I don't blame you, man. It's fantastic. And
If
it's
you had a
unique.
recipe book, that would.
right. How do you think they
I think
made
that
it?
would
Totally
sell. Yeah.
unique.
We're actually going to expand the concept next door. I'm looking at a second location of that, hopefully later this year, in North Charleston.
That's awesome.
That one will actually be able to serve dinner at. So it'll be a little more casual dinner scene.
I think you're gonna be successful, man. This is fantastic.
Yeah, this is already a
It
great
really was.
concept. So.
So y'all relax and we really appreciate y'all coming in.
Absolutely. I appreciate it, Frank. Very nice meeting
Love you.
you.
Nice to meet you.
I like
And there's
it.
a line that I etched down the middle.
Why are
It says full of
you
ice
looking
on
like
the
a disgruntled pelican?
And then there's lines etched on the glass.
You do a fantastic Mora Rose
Thank you.
So
from Schitt's Creek.
Takes no
If you haven't seen that show, just watch Paula. She is Mora Rose. So
The more I drink, the more I'm Moira.
yeah, it's true. You're holding that drink like a baby.
Like a baby.
What's the biggest seller?
Dinner has been phenomenal.
Absolutely lovely, isn't it?
Do you ever like
Everything I
So
tasted
good.
was unbelievable.
I'm like just so close to like being really full because
I'm stuffed. We ordered dessert anyway, though.
We got it anyway.
I got
glutton
that
for
sponge
punishment.
cake.
Yeah,
Sponge
that
cake
sounds
with
amazing.
limoncello.
Limoncello.
You probably thought she said lemon jello, huh?
That would
Well,
be.
they said Aaron.
I would have
Cheney,
eaten that
so,
too.
You know what? Anything goes here.
Hey,
They're open to
In
everything.
South Carolina.
We got several kinds of dessert, and we're gonna try them all. But the one I'm most excited about is the grit brulee. That's
I
right.
got chocolate cake.
cheese
Not creme brulee.
I love that
grit
you got chocolate
brulee.
cake, by the way.
But I just love
So that is that. We finished up. The dessert was fantastic. So was the meal. Literally one of the best pieces of chicken I've ever had. And the grits brulee was a fantastic finisher. So I can highly recommend Grace and Grit. Come check it out.
If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already subscribed,
please push that one as well. Follow it up with hitting that notification bell. It'll keep you up to date with all my delicious adventures. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you at the next Foodie Stop.